Stop slamming me every morning. I just want you to wake up. Please wash me. I'm full of dust mites from your unwashed hair. I can't take any more rides crammed like this. My springs are ruined, dragging me across dirty floors. No wonder I feel so gross all day. Change my bulb already. I'm tired of working half awake like you. Stop stuffing me until I can't breathe. I'm begging for space here. Why do you always yank me open? My tracks can't handle this abuse. Can someone please clean my fabric? I sneeze dust every single day. Quit letting me gather dust while you sweat right below my blades. If one more gadget lands on me tonight, I might just collapse forever. How long do I have to soak up spills before anyone washes me? Don't scrape me on metal counters. My surface can't take any more scars.